Hello YouTube, Dano here, doing a quick tool haul. Come across this at like a community, like a restore type thing or thrift store. Got a smoking deal on it. This Black & Decker pin nailer, 2 batteries, charger. A buddy of mine threw me some extra clips for it, but scored it for $5. I can't pass that up. Might find a use for it yet. Then I was at the pawn shop. Got a couple things there. Got a pair of wrists, short jaw cutting tin snips. I think it's a 7/16 concrete drill bit. Nice Canadian mastercraft maximum wrench that someone's warmed up and realigned. 7/16. Might be a handy size to have that way. We got a herbrand wrench. You know how much I like the herbrand stuff. Made in Canada. 11/16 and 5/8. And then there's this. And this thing doesn't look much better than the mastercraft version of these, which is Canadian. But they feel okay. Not bad. Tip's a bit twisted a bit. But the only reason I grabbed it, made in USA. Made in USA, why not? And then there's this bad boy. Gonna focus. Ooh, it looks like it's going to focus. Yeah, that's right. Snap on. F4LA. Made in Canada. No date on it. Looks like she's got a bit of a bend to it. But hey, cheap is cheap. I'll try cleaning it up a bit. More than likely just see if I can get it warrantied out. Yeah, it's got a pretty good bend there. Don't imagine that handles much for staying on there. Alright, in any case, like, comment, subscribe, share. Hey, just stop by and say hello. Dano out.